Hello everyone, welcome back here. My name is Anis and I'm here today with yet another exciting thing. And today what I have for you is a fully working, fully responsive and fully interactive news website. And in this video we are going to be looking at how it works, every part and every single section of this website. So how can users be interacting? How can the admin write and make sections? Because on the main website what happens is that the user can get to visit the site, but the site has articles, but these articles on news are coming straight from the backend side, because the backend admin or the news editor gets to write, manage and also publish these articles one by one. So these articles are displayed to the main website, and whereby the user gets to see them and interact with them and enjoy the news. But in actual sense, these articles are coming straight from the database in intervals of 10 to 30 seconds. So without going any further, first things first, let's get into this video and we see how exactly this works. So right now it's on my computer. Right now it's not hosted anywhere, so you can I can even host it anytime I want it, but I'll just come here and say localhost. I'll go straight to it because it's running on my computer. I'm just sharing for this, so I'll say so this is the site right now. As you see right now, this is the home page. This is the home page of how it is coming out and how it is going to be looking like. So anyway, it's already looking like this, so I can't say how it's going to look out. So so in this section or this page, you can see that it's fully working and displaying out news, and you can see that here we have news website. This news website has headlines. This is the first headline. You can see that it has this video section, a video highlight. It has today's date by default. Yes, it has this nav section with categories. We shall be seeing all that till the end of the video, so stick around to the end of the video. In case it's your first time to visit my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe or to share or like. I'll be grateful. So what you have here is you can see that it has the first highlights. You can call them the main headlines. Well, I'm not a news person or a journalist. I'm just some IT person, but I just got inspired to build this and make this. So if you are out there like a journalist and you're seeing this, or news editor, so don't hesitate to check out this. So going on, this is what we have. You can see that we can see more headlines. The way it is appearing, the fonts are nice. You can see categories. I'm starting to get to categories. This is health. That's the sport highlight. You can see that I designed this thing with the ad sections already going. If you're looking forward to getting this and you want to put some Google adverts, there's space accounted for that already. Yes, so you can see that there's another advert here up, the main advert. So on going on, you can see that there's a health. You can see there's a video section, and what happens here, these videos are looped and they come straight from the database. The more the videos or the latest the video to be shown here, and actually these videos can be embedded YouTube videos or any other source. So you can see I have news category. All these are news. I can have OPED, those who know OPED, magazine section, yeah, business. I can have galleries as news, lifestyle articles, special reports, crystal sports, or even any other sport. So it all depends on you as a media personality, what you want to be. And even I have podcasts. If you made podcasts and you want to put them on this platform, can get here. But for me, I'm getting them from AfriPod, so I have an account in AfriPod. So if I get to play one here, you can see that it can actually play, but it's all coming from AfriPod. So it's now playing. So I guess you can hear it now, it's playing. So I'll just pause that for now. Can even go to audios as a category. All these are audios I have stored. This is the front end side of the user to see. So on going back to the main page, you can see that I have this video highlight. These highlights are all coming from the admin edit. So for now there's nothing changing because there are no changes made by the admins. Yeah, so that's what it looks like on a big screen device, or maybe like a computer, or maybe a bigger device. So let's see what it looks like on something like a mobile phone or device. So that means the website is perfectly responsive to any device. So you can see this is what it looks like. You can see the menu is here. Yeah, this is for a smaller phone like iPhone SE, XR. I'll go to maybe Galaxy S20 Ultra to look like something like this. You can see still it's perfectly looking nice and responsive. Yeah, so let me check the responsiveness more. So according to the screen device, it will get bigger and better and readable. Yeah, so I'll just skip this for now, so I guess you can see it. So if I happen to click on let me say education, it will take me to education category, and I'll see all articles related to education. Yeah, so if I go to like news, you can see business. So this is how it basically works. And if someone, maybe I try to, let me read this. This is a single article. You can see there's an advert here. Yeah, there's a content here. Content goes here, but actually I didn't get time to write more content. Other latest news. Yes, you can see that the footer is still the same. And what actually happens, I can even share this same article. You see this same article. Maybe I want to post it on Twitter. Oh, I'm disconnected of internet, so I'll go to let me connect here first. So I want to share this to Twitter. Let me connect to internet first. So after connecting to the internet, you can see that I can get to share this. Let me share to Twitter. So on sharing to Twitter, it gets me that article string. Right now it's not hosted, so that's why you see this. So it takes me to Twitter straight to write a post. So I think that's working perfectly fine. You can share it to WhatsApp. So this API will just open to WhatsApp. Yeah, so the same goes to email. Yeah, so I think this is a perfect and good way to go. If I inspect this as an article, you can see that on a small phone, small device like iPhone SE, everything will be working out perfectly well. Yeah, you can see that these become sticky here. Yeah, and I get to do the other things I want. So that's the front end design. You can log in, I can do a lot of things, and I think this is a perfect and nice way to go. In case you are interested in this, to use it as for your business, don't hesitate to inbox me. I'll leave my email straight, or if you want fast conversation, you can link with me straight to WhatsApp and send me a DM. I'll be able to see it. So on going on, you can see even if I go to videos, so there's a YouTube video. This is simply just a video coming from YouTube. I can share that too. I can use this straight to go to other categories, magazines. So after that, you can see that I can even go to lifestyle, galleries. So if I try to click on one gallery, you can see that it brings me a set of pictures to see, but all these are stored in the database. If you want to see the structure of my database, I'll just show it straight. So I'm using MySQL database right now, so I can be able to store all this as they come, because actually it's someone that makes a request from the database to get all this. So all these things actually change after a given set of interval. Yeah, So this is my database and this is what it looks like. This is my structure. Everything is stored here, so I'll close this, and you can see that if I try to inspect all of this, you can see that I'm making a request. I'm making a request to update all these articles after a given time. Yes, so I'll just come to to network. Yes, you can see that I'm fetching and all of these are successful. Yeah, so simply that's the demo of this home website, what it looks like. So now we want to look at that part where the admin has to write and manage all those things. So that part is also there, but it's just written this side. So I'll go to the admin side. Yes, so this is what it looks like, and for this I'll log in. I'll try to log in. Every admin has their own credentials, so you can have multiple admins even if they are 1000. But what happens this time round, they need a secret admin code to proceed, because it's like a two-way or two-step authentication. If they don't know it, then they won't be able to be taken to this side. So you can see this is what I have right now. So this is what it looks like, and it's also perfect on any device. Yeah, someone can edit simply using their phone but updating on the same site. So that's it. And you can see that on this left side I have this side panel for writing all this. So you can see main news editor, second headlines, editors by category, media editors, podcasts, categories, media uploads. Yeah, so they're all good. So if I click on one main headline to edit it, you can see it gives me a plate or a section to write. Here I can write my title. Maybe I say here goes the title. Yes, short description, I would say title. Content or body, I would say lorem ipsum. Yeah, that's the content. And I can select a category. If the category I want is not here, I can go straight to categories to add a new category. I can select a media image. So let me go to my downloads. So that's what I choose. You can see that every time I choose something, there's a preview here. Yeah, so image description, I just write something like description, the date and time for publishing, author, I would say ABC EFG. So when I publish, you can see that headline was published successfully. And on going back here, if I maybe try to refresh, you can see that everything I've written the other side comes straight here and reflects. Yeah, then if I try to delete this, this is the main and this is the latest headline I've written, so I'll just delete this. So still it will go away, and we'll be getting the latest with the latest ID from the database. So the same applies to all of these things. I can have education editor, health editor, spotlight according to the category, OPED, magazines, business, lifestyle, crystal report. So I guess all of this is working perfectly fine because it's been tested by me, and this thing was entirely developed by me. So you can be able to get the same way it's working here, because at least it's trying to be standard. You can see my media uploads here, everything I've tried to upload. Yeah, so I think this is a nice way. So I don't want this to get too long, so I'll try to stop right here. But if you like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, or maybe to leave a comment. I'll be able to review and see it. And most importantly, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be grateful. I do more of this, so for deals, please inbox me. Don't hesitate. So for right now, let me just log out. I'll log out and I'll go straight back because my session has been destroyed. So I guess for the developers, so I made this using of course HTML comes first because I need to make that structure. So I wrote scripts, I used PHP for database, some styling, I used Bootstrap framework. So everything was just perfectly fine, yeah. So